Today it's the Angry Birds show, and today is the day of the Angry Birds show. Now look at the Angry Birds. Next level.
Next level.
Were you thinking about any of the criticism that you endured last week when you made that decision, or was that the furthest thing from your mind?
Well, I mean, I was in the locker room and trying to come back out and do some of the extras. Didn't get all the extras. I was trying to rush the guys, kind of, hey, what's going on? Everybody leaves. Finally, Doc tells me that he was running out and said broken whenever I was on the field. So it kind of takes me back in. But the biggest thing that was going through my brain was just, you just don't want to go 0-2 in the NFL. I mean, that literally is just such a hole to be in that it's so hard to come out of. And that was really the thing that just kept going in my brain, was just, if I can do anything here, I just don't want to be sitting here on Monday or Tuesday thinking that we're 0-2. That's really what was in my
Got the piggy, got the piggy. Thank you very much for joining us with Angry Birds and Zarek. Huh?
Today, bye-bye. Because that's the Angry Birds show. I made it.
Yeah, it was a good show. Thank you for sharing it with us.
You're welcome.
Wow.
I hope you join it. Bye-bye. If you join it, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now come here.
Want to watch it?